All right, we're gonna bring a lock for your hitch. All right, now we have our hitch here, and this is the old one that we had, and there was no protection on this one, to be honest with you. It was just a pin going on, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys how it was set up. It was basically just this pin here. There was a pin there, and that's pretty much it. Grabbing them in there, holding up the pin. All right, that was it. It's a basic one. Now you do have to grab it in here so it will move. Like, if you guys can see, that was it. And it was easy to steal, you know. So this thing, all you got to do is remove this pin and take this whole thing apart. Now this is the old one. Now we have our new one. Our new one has a combination. Now, in order to make a combination changes, you need to unlock it. Right now, currently, all of them are going to be, the default's going to be 0. But to remove it, you're going to have to remove the top, and then you're able to reset it to whatever number you want. Now, they do give you a couple of these washers here. All right, these are little rubber seals, if you guys can see that. I'm going to put them away. We don't need them right now, because this one is going to be the new one that we're going to set up in here. And like I said, all zeros is the one that's going to be removed. So I'm going to show you. All right, so now that we have this in here, all you got to do is make sure that this is the number area that you're going to set up, right? 0, and that's pretty much it. Right now, we're going to set this up in here, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Now, it does come with this attachment if you don't want this to be moving around. I'm going to show you in a bit how it is. We got it set up already. All you got to do is, if you don't want this to move loosely, you could set up this little pin that they give you here, of course, and then it slide it in there, and it'll keep everything nice and fit. So you could do this, so we'll move, all right, in case it rattles too much. Now, setting up the lock, you could set it up in here and set different combinations if you want. If you want to set up your combination, just make sure you have all zeros, and you could set it up in here, right? It's very simple to set up, just moving the thing around, but that's when you're ready to set up. All right, right now we're just gonna put it in here, and we're gonna move the dial 1 at least, and this thing is not gonna go anywhere, which is perfect. Now, if you ever want to move it out, all you gotta do is find the 0, find the right combination. There it is. Take it out, and then you can take this pin out too, and simple. These two come out very simple. I'm gonna keep this a permanent thing because I like this part. It's easy. If you ever, for emergencies, you could take it off. If you ever have a hitch, you don't need a key. You could just memorize the passcode, and easy to set up.